The last one we saw was Silver Falls. Here we are at our last waterfall, the Berry Creek Falls. Now you just have 4 miles to hike out and you're back to your car.
Berry Creek and the Berry Creek Falls were named for Tilford George Berry, a lumberman who had a cabin at the base of the lower falls. Berry was one of the earliest land speculators in the area, arriving as a homesteader in the mid-1860s. A large man, towering over 6 feet tall, Berry was a loner. He lived the life of a hermit near the banks of the creek that would later bear his name. Those who knew him described him as a man who lived in the wilderness without even a dog or a horse to keep him company. Rather, his rifle was his companion, and he carried it with him wherever he went. In the 1870s, Berry sold a parcel of land to Jacob Eberhardt, a Santa Cruz tanner, for $1,600. He stopped in Boulder Creek to visit his friend, Jake Perkins, before embarking on a business trip to finalize the deal. He told Jake that he had to go away for 2 days and asked him to hold his rifle for safekeeping. Berry didn't return for 2 or 3 weeks. When he did return to Boulder Creek, he was strangely unkempt. Without offering Jake an explanation, Berry took his rifle and disappeared into the woods. He was never seen again. 25 years later, a well-known Boulder Creek physician took a stroll through the chaparral quarter-mile from where Berry picked up his rifle all those years ago. He stumbled upon a perfectly preserved skeleton with Berry's gun leaning against it and a single bullet through its head. The doctor wired the bones together, and Tilford George Berry adorned the doctor's office for the remainder of his practice. The skeleton has since disappeared. Its whereabouts remain as a big mystery as what happened to Berry on that final business trip and why he ended it with a single bullet to the head.
Okay, we just finished up our 8-mile hike. We saw some beautiful waterfalls, some huge trees. I'm standing in front of a tree right now that's 1,392 years old. It was about 492 years old when Columbus first landed in the United States. So some of the trees you saw on the hike were probably bigger than this. So we saw some very old growth. Hope you had fun.